YouTube! What's up? Dito tayo ngayon sa terminal ng Prime sa Laredo, Texas. Pipick up tayo ng preloaded. Kaso nga lang, si Kuya nasa daan. Yan na natin. Sabihan natin na nasa daan siya. Yeah, hey boss! Gonna be the last one! Yeah! Ayan, lilinisan lang muna daw ni Kuya. Oh, diba? So, ang pick up natin dito ay preload galing sa ano to eh, sa Mexico. Dadalhin natin sa Louisiana. Itong drop natin, 3 drop, pero malalapit lang. Malalapit lang sa isa't isa. Kaya yun, pick upin natin to. Tara dun sa Louisiana. Let's go! Hook up lang tayo sa trailer natin, tapos good to go na tayo. Na-secure ko na to kagabi. Nakadating ako dito kagabi. Kaso, kailangan lang ayusin sa trailer. Kaya inumaga na tayo. Yung, tara!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Morning! Yes, sir. Thank you, you too. YouTube! Hoy, nagbabalik. Papagas lang tayo. Nandito tayo sa... Saan to? Sa Porsal, Texas. Sa may Petro. Pagas lang tayo. Tapos, tractor. Wag muna def. Trailer number ko ay... Yun. Ayos. Pagas lang muna tayo dito. Ang presyo ng gas ngayon ay $5.22 per gallon. Pero may discount kami. Ang presyo ng discount namin ay $4.22. So $1 off. Okay na yan. Nagmahal na naman ang gas. Bumaba yung gas nung makailan lang. Siguro mga 1 month ago. Nasa $3. Ngayon nasa $4 na naman. Pero okay lang yun. At least may discount tayo, di ba? So magpapagas lang tayo. Tapos dediretso tayo sa siguro sa labas na ng Houston para hindi ko na datnan yung traffic bukas. So labas na ng Houston, San Antonio tayo, tapos Houston. Sa labas ng Houston tayo magpo-park for the night. 100 gallons lang muna yung kinuha ko. Hindi naman ganun kalayo yung pagdadrivean natin. Dito lang naman sa Texas hanggang Louisiana. Mga 600-700 miles. So total ng 100 na galon. 105 na galon, $5.49. Pump price yun, hindi kasama yung discount. Pumasok ka, ayaw pumasok. Yun. Tara, next location.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on
YouTube! Dito tayo ngayon sa Katy, Texas. Papasok na ng Houston. Ito yung sinasabi kong gusto kong lagpasan bago bukas. Para bukas dire-diretso na lang tayo. Itong traffic na to. Sa Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, sa mga big cities na yun, laging may traffic. Asahan mong may traffic. Sa madaling araw lang walang traffic. Minsan naman sa madaling araw, doon sila gumagawa ng construction. Construction naman ang rason dahil sa traffic. Kaya ngayon tayo magsasuffer sa traffic na to. Para bukas dire-diretso na lang tayo sa Louisiana.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back. Dito tayo ngayon sa Anahuac, Texas. Nakadating din tayo dito. Bagong truck stop. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sila sa loob ng truck natin.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
east, then turn right.
Good morning! Delivery day natin ngayon. Hindi naman ganun kalayo galing dito sa truck stop na hinintuan natin kagabi. Mga 8 miles, 10 minutes. 3 drop-off ang gagawin natin ngayon. So, punta tayo sa first drop-off natin. Tara!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Now turn right. right.
Yan, nasa first drop off na tayo. Ayun lang oh. Check-in lang tayo. Knock knock. For assistance, please ring the bell on the desk behind you. Ah, ito pala. Morning. Got a delivery for you guys.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Kaganda ng umaga. Siguro, kung maaari, pwede tayong magana na lang. Back in.
You just need to come pull up. You know, this is our property, that's our property, but you can back into here. You can come through the gate as well,
I got you.
and then we can get you unloaded.
We'll do that.
Thank
you. Yes, ma'am. Ayan, back in daw tayo. Ang dami nyo naman property. Pengi ako kahit isa. Sexy ng truck natin. Woo!
We're gonna have to unload you with the crane truck.
Okay.
So if you want to stay straight on this side of the road,
Okay.
I got to get our crane truck driver back.
Okay, so don't back in.
Don't back in.
I got you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Di ba ayan yung unang drop-off natin? Ito lang yung pangalawa, 318. Ay, sandali lang. Baka sila din yun. Tanong nga natin kay ate. Kasi may nakapark na volute din dun eh. Baka sa kanya din yun. Morning. How you doing?
It's all of ours, huh?
Except for the first one. Is that your property too, that CMG?
Yep.
Okay, so they made it two stop. This one and that one.
Oh,
so,
well, we can get it all off.
yeah, let me give this
So,
to...
which one goes where?
So all of this except for that first one, that
Okay.
big box.
Okay, what goes over here?
This one is only one piece, so the second one.
Okay, gotcha.
So this third one and then that second,
Okay.
that
We'll
one
get 'em
goes
all
over
off.
there. Tinatanggal na nila yung, sa tingin ko kailangan nila ng crane kaso nagawa na lang nilang forklift. Baka gagawin nila, lalagyan nila ng kahoy sa, yun diba sabi ko, gagawin nilang kahoy sa baba. Tigan pa nahulog sa daan. Yung ano pala natin, ang tawag dito, yung last stop natin 90 miles. So mga 1 hour and a half to 2 hours. Depende sa traffic. Delikado din yung ginagawa nila kasi pag sumobra sa taas, mauhuhulog sa daan yan. Masyado kasi manipis yung masyadong close yung fork niya. Pag in-spread out niya ng konti, mas even ang ang pick up. Di ba? Sabi ko, spread. Mas maganda pag in-spread eh. I-spread niya ate. Are you signing this, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
This is the paperwork for
For
CMC.
Coastal, yep.
Yes. And then that's yours. I just need this sign and
Oh, this is mine.
yes.
So the other ones are mine too?
Yes, ma'am.
These? You don't need any of those?
No.
All right, perfect.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
in the right place. No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Yun, tara. Let's drop off tayo.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Morning.
Sir, I'm Trooper Aronson. You didn't get nothing wrong. This is a low inspection. You got your driver's license to take a look at? Thank you, sir. Do you have a truck number?
275.
Where are you coming out of?
This came from Laredo, Texas.
All right, where are you going with this?
This is going to Miss Lido.
May I take a look at it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Your phone number, sir?
915.
Manager or dispatcher name? You got your EOD or logbook on you?
Yes, sir.
Sir? Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
And just your registration, insurance, all that stuff. Give me a minute so I can get you out of here, all right?
I got you. Thank you. inspect lang daw ni bossing.
Alright, sir. All good. No violation. Just need you signing them 2 yellow spots for me.
I got you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
You take care and be safe, okay?
Thank you. You have a good day. Oh, diba? We got $100 bonus. No violation.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Railroad crossing ahead. In 1 mile you will reach your destination. The destination will be on your left.
Nasa last drop off na tayo. Check-in lang tayo, tapos pa-unload tayo. Morning! Got some... Thank you. Nasa lunch daw yung mag-unload. So gagawin ko, mag-unstrap na ako, tapos kain tayo dito. Hamburger place eh. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sila dun. Pero unstrap ko na just in case na dumating yung mag-unload, ready na i-unload. Kinailangan daw tumawag. Ang kaso naman, pinick up natin to nung Friday ng gabi. Eh, sarado na sila. Tapos weekend, sarado din sila ng weekend. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, yan, strap ko lang to. Tapos tabi natin yung mga strap natin. Tapos kain tayo ng lunch. Sige, kita-kits mamaya. Pag i-unload nila ako, kaya pag tapos na mag-unload, kakain muna ako. Yun nga lang, hindi sila ready para sa akin. So, sabi ni Kuya, dumating siya, kailangan daw natin pumunta dun sa isang crane company na tinawagan nila para may unload tayo. Ang magagawa natin, imbis na magreklamo, imbis na makipag-argue, sundan na lang natin si Kuya, tapos i-invoice ko na lang sila sa extra mileage. Kasi mga 10 miles dun. Sige, kita-kits dun kung saan nila tayo i-unload. Yun, na-unload na nila tayo. On to the next load tayo. Sige, bye!